All right, hello, sandbaggy.com. This is Mitchell Young. It is 6/11/25 from Gilmer, Texas, out in East Texas. Just built this house right here about 2 years ago. It's up on this big hill. Got a lot of runoff right down to there. Got a lot of runoff that comes all the way down here into here. And about 2 years ago, I lost a big oak tree right here and a big oak tree right here, and 100-year-old oak trees probably, and had to get the root systems taken out because of right here, all the sand was going under the embankment through the root system down the road. And lately it's rained, I don't know, 6 inches in the last couple days. So I had a huge washout, big hole big enough you can fit a little car in. So I hauled a lot of clay in, put in right here, and I got me some dirt planted. Some grass planted. Looks like the grass is coming up pretty good. But what I did is I ordered the Sandbaggy from Sandbaggy Coconut Net from Sandbaggy.com, and I put and I've been having problems with this embankment right here washing out. It blow out about right here, and just hit the road and be gone. So what I did is I built up a bunch of dirt right here, all along the embankment here so the water would flow. Hauled in a bunch of clay, and I got some hay, some old square bale hay, and I put a whole bunch of hay all down right here. Excuse me. Then I got 2 rolls of the Sandbaggy Coconut Net, perfect, and I put down on top of the hay, and I staked it down on top of the hay, and we use those biodegradable stakes. Staked it all right down here, stomped it down on the hay, and I came in and planted some Bermuda. You can see a little Bermuda growing here, and planted some wildflowers on it, some East Texas wildflowers. We've had a lot of rain. I'm talking a lot of rain in the past 2 weeks, and this coconut net has held, right? I'm waiting on the county to come clean this out. Who knows how long that's going to take. But once I get that cleaned out, I might layer another little layer here. But what I got going on, this is what I had left of the coconut net. And I just put it down on the water run. This is the natural way the water runs. It just got done raining. So I think I'm going to buy, and I got seeds planted right here, but I think a lot of them have washed out. I got a little grass growing here and a little grass growing here. Once I get some grass established, it'll be good. Maybe I should sod it, but I don't like sodding so much in high water areas. It gets in those little grooves and causes a hole. So what I'm thinking about doing is filling in this right here with some more of that good clay, and ordering a couple more rolls of the Sandbaggy Coconut Net mesh, and putting it all right here, and putting it all right here, and putting it here, the natural flow. Have it all this coconut net. Probably take about as much as that. And then the grass here is done pretty good. And then put grass on top of it and see how that does. So I'm looking at getting about 2 more coconut nets, but I wanted to upload on this and show y'all guys that the Sandbag Coconut Net has taken 8 inches of water and high rain flow, and it has done a super fabulous job. I would recommend buying this net and putting it on any kind of erosive situation you got going on, because I've never really seen anything hold after my dirt work. And after I put this hay in the net down, the hay was just kind of a spur in the moment, let's see what happens, but I think it settled in really good. But Mitchell Young, Gilmer, Texas, East Texas, Coconut Net, Sandbaggy.com. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good afternoon.